Hello everyone, this is how to use Liqui Moly engine flush. Engine flush plus removes oil sludge, guys. Alright, this hopefully will help to clear out the vanos, which keeps jamming, but I have new solenoids for that. So it says here on the directions, it says 300 ml is sufficient for up to 6 liters of oil, which is how much this E46 takes. I believe it's 6 or 7 liters. So you just put this in and you run the car for 15 minutes, okay? And also you put it in with your old oil. You don't empty the oil first and then put new oil in and use this. You do this for your old oil. So we're just going to go ahead and do that. This is on my old oil. So I'm going to just pour this in here. I'm going to pour the whole thing. All right, so that's going in like that. All right. So that is how you add it. All right, and then you just put this back on, plug your cap back on like that. Put that on here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna turn on the car. All right, we're gonna turn on the car. All right, get my keys out of my pocket. All right, we're gonna put this in, we're gonna turn on the car, and we are going to run it for about 15 minutes. So we're just gonna sit that there and we're just gonna let it idle. And yeah, so I'm just gonna leave this and then I'm gonna come back, and after I'm done, I will then just empty the oil out and I will consider that oil flushed. So that's how you use a Liqui Moly, man. Very simple, very easy, and it should hopefully get rid of the sludge, which could clog up your vanos. That could jam your vanos, that could stop it from working, cause those P codes. So yeah, hopefully this will help that. And yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. And yeah, so just to clarify for anybody who was unsure, make sure that you put the 300 mils, you know, in with your 6 liters of oil, right? And you put it in with your old oil, okay? You don't empty the oil first, you put it in with your old oil and let it run for about 15 minutes, and then come back, empty it, add your new oil, and you're good to go. All right, cheers, thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Peace out.